2 habaneros. Alright, so habanero challenge.
Yeah.
30 minutes in without water or drink.
For respect. Oh, that one up his nose. Oh my god, look at his face.
Do it, Gia.
Feel it?
Yeah, do it.
You gotta eat the stem, you know that, right?
Say go, Gia. It's only 8:51. Only 30 seconds so far.
Alright, that wasn't bad. Ready?
Oh, that
Look at his
bad.
face. How many do you eat?
Oh, you're cheap.
2.
Oh, it's not.
I thought you eat 3.
Oh, it's hot now.
What?
It's more tingly than hot, huh?
Yes. Hey, like that.
Chew, chew, chew.
It's more tingly than hot.
$10. Yes.
It's like hella more seeds.
No excuses.
Go on, dude.
Come on, Gia. Eat it like you like it.
Finish it.
Yeah. You got 5 seconds or else you have to start over. Don't touch your eyes.
Keep it, man.
You give up? Cinnamon challenge next.
Cinnamon challenge?
Yep.
I'll try to change the subject.
Say go, Gia, go. Go, clap your
I
hands.
regret the second one.
Alright. Go for the third one now.
Whoa.
Only 3.
Overactor. I know.
You eat this.
See how red he is.
I am gonna eat it.
Turn around. Turn around.
Don't cry, Gia.
I want to see your face. Don't touch your eyes. It's gonna burn.
We should have taken before and after pictures.
Gonna eat that.
You have to finish your stems. The whole stem.
What's wrong?
It's too hot. You have to sit down.
Nah.
No sitting down.
Nice turn.
Say, it's okay.
Alright, done.
30 minutes.